So your business seems really simple, right? You buy or produce stuff somewhere, bring it in, store it in a warehouse, then sell it to somebody. It's simple if your partners are across the street and you have just a few customers. Unfortunately, you've got a national or even global supply chain, and your number of customers is growing rapidly, which means weeks of lead time, forecasting headaches, logistics nightmares, and customer promises that need to be met regardless. And all this while actually trying to run the rest of your business. It's not like this is a new problem. And of course there are solutions out there. But what if you don't have the budget or staff to support a full business solution? You're stuck with no information or a bunch of siloed software pieces that can't handle the workload anymore. And even worse, they don't communicate with each other, so you have no idea what's happening across your business as a whole. So what are you supposed to do? What you really need is a partner that has the ability to help you streamline your core business processes, while also integrating all the functions that make your business run. Impossible, right? Enter SAP Business ByDesign. See, when it comes down to it, your business hinges on two things. First, you need to manage your customers' demand. With SAP Business ByDesign, you can match what you have and what you're going to have to what you need to deliver. Accurate tracking for shipments with long lead times and arrival dates that you can actually depend on. And that's not all. You've got to manage your profits. Business ByDesign gives you an integrated view of the business, cash flow, incoming orders, shipment deliveries, and so on. With its built-in analytics, you now get a clear picture of where things are, where things are going to be, and what's happening across your whole organization. It's time to ditch the simple solutions and guesswork. It's time for something that fits your growing business needs. Check it out today at sap.com/businessbydesign.